Are you wondering which time you want to post your content in order to get more views? Let me tell you, I heard so many people saying so many things. Post by 8, post by 9, post by 6, post by... Some people will say post any time that you can post. All of them are the same. They may be true in one way, but in another way, they may not be true. Why? Because our audience are different. The people I have in my cycle might not be the people you have in your own cycle. My followers may not be your followers. And as such, if my followers are active around 8 p.m. and you go and post 8 p.m. while your own followers are not active, it will not work for you. So what works for Mr. A sometimes doesn't work for Mr. B, unless you have the same type of audience with Mr. A. Now, what am I trying to say? If you want to post when your people are active, you need to study your audience. Yes, you need to find out the actual time your own particular audience is active. You need to find out the actual day. Every days are not the same. Okay, you find out that if you post on Monday, sometimes you don't get engagement, but if you post on Tuesday, you get more engagement. If you post by 8, you get few engagement. If you post by 12, you get a higher engagement. And you are telling me that you can post anytime? Does that mean that you can post by 9 p.m.? Because it's any time now in order to get engagement when people are already sleeping. That is not it. It means that you need to study your audience. Okay, let me give you, for instance, during Christmas holiday, I find out something. Because as a social media manager that manages accounts, I monitor the changes of audience very well. I find out that when we were on holiday, if I make a post in the morning, it doesn't have views. I monitor it. I find out that people are busy at that time, probably cooking, visiting friends and all that. But you see, from 6 p.m., 7 p.m., you know, for the first time that I started posting 7 p.m. and it will have enough views. 8 p.m. for instance, because people are very busy during the day that they only settle down to view. I'm talking about my audience particularly. They have time to view. As from 6, they are relaxed at home. 7, 8, and I post videos that time and I see I get view that time. So what if I said, okay, let me keep posting in the morning as usual, because normally before in the morning, that's when I get views. You see, that is when I say that season will affect the time of your posting, and the type of audience you have too will affect the type of your posting and the day of your posting. Now I want to show you practically one place you can check on your dashboard to see the particular days your audience are more active. When you see these particular days your audience are more active, then it will help you to know the days you are going to post videos more. Then monitoring your insights. Insights I mean is that your type of reaction you get each particular day or each particular time. I posted by 8, I got 100 likes. I posted by 10, I got 50 likes. I posted 6 p.m. and I got 200 likes. So that is your insight. Using that insight, you can find out the exact day, the exact time you can post for more engagement and for more views. So let's dive into it immediately so that you will know the particular days your audience are very active. So you go to your Facebook app, then when you click on your professional dashboard, go to your insight, click on your insight. It's loading, guys. When you click on your insight, then you see all. That place they are telling you how many views you have. Click on see all there by your right. So you have done see all. So when you click on see all, go down and click on audience. You click on audience. It's loading, guys. So now we have clicked on audience. So let's go down. If you go down, you are going to see this most active time. You see, this is my own personal followers. The days they are more active than the other days. So this will show me when to post for more views and engagement. So in my own now, on Tuesday is the highest day, followed by Monday, then Thursday. So if I have 10 posts to post in a week, then what I will do is that I'll maybe on Tuesday I'll post like 4. On Monday I'll post like 2. Then on other days I'll post one post, so that those ones I post on their most effective time and day, you will be able to go higher. So that is how you are going to know. So check your own to know the most effective days for you to post for more engagement and views. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.